Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen cooking different meals one by one? What if I told you there's a single device that can cook rice, steam vegetables, make oatmeal, sweet your favorite dishes, and even keep your food warm, all in one compact design? Today, we are talking a deep dive into the COMFEE multi-rice cooker, a powerful 6-in-1 kitchen gadget that's perfect for busy lifestyle. If you love smart kitchen tools and want to make your cooking faster and easier, the COMFEE multi-rice cooker is designed for people who want convenience without compromising on quality. Whether you are a student living in a dorm, a busy professional, or someone who simply wants to simplify their kitchen routine, this compact cooker delivers impressive performance. Let's start with its 6-in-1 functionality, which is the biggest highlight of this device. It's not just a rice cooker, it works as a slow cooker, a steamer, sweet pan, food warmer, and grainian like quinoa and oatmeal. This means you can prepare a wide variety of meals without needing multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen. The 2-quart capacity might seem small at first, but it is actually perfect for individual, couples, or small families. It can cook up to 8 cups of rice when fully prepared, which is more than enough for daily meals. Plus, the compact size makes it easy to store and ideal for small kitchen. One of the standout features is its user-friendly control panel. You don't need to be a professional chef to use it. With just a few button press, you can select the cooking mode you want and the cooker handle the rest. This is especially helpful for beginners who are just getting started with cooking. Now let's talk about cooking performance. The COMFEE cooker ensures even that distribution, which means your rice comes out perfectly fully every time. No more burnt button or undercooked grains. Whether you are making white rice, brown rice, or even porridge, the results are consistently good. The slow cooking function is another big plus. You can prepare soups, stews, or even tender meat dishes by letting it cook slowly over time. This not only enhances flavor but also saves you effort since you don't have to monitor the cooking process consistently. If you are into healthy eating, you will appreciate the steaming function. You can easily steam vegetable, fish, or dumplings while your rice cooker below. This dual cooking capability saves both time and energy, making meal prep much more efficient. Another feature worth mentioning is the sweet function. Before slow cooking or making rice dishes, you can sweet onions, garlic, or spices directly in the cooker. This adds an extra layer of flavor to your meals and eliminates the need for additional pans. Cleaning is often a concern with kitchen appliances, but COMFEE makes it easy. The non-stick in your pot ensures that food doesn't stick, and it is very easy to clean with just a quick rinse. This is a huge time saver, especially after a long day. In terms of design, the cooker has a sleek steel exterior that looks modern and fits well in any kitchen setup. It is lightweight, portable, and built to last. Whether you are placing it on your kitchen counter or taking it with you on trips, it is very convenient. Let's also not forget the keep warm function. Once your food is ready, the cooker automatically switches to keep warm mode, ensuring your meal stays hot and ready to serve without overcooking. Now, who is this product best for?